Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. This is the second part of my mini series about how to make ecopours translucent. And if this sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. So this time I'm not taking the plastic pieces that I showed you in the intro. I use glass because glass is heavy and it will not float up to the top like in the first video. So I'm taking those glass shards and packing them into my mold up to the top. And when you pack a mold like this full with stuff, you have to be really careful not to make any lumps and bumps into the mold. I'll show you later what happened to me. So I'm just banging this piece on the table to make those shards go down all the way. I mix up my Porcelino now, and Porcelino is a really thin ecopour, and this is really good for this kind of a project because, as you can see, the Porcelino has to run down somehow around those glass shards, and yeah, if the ecopour is too thick, this won't work. So what I do is I just pour a little bit in there, and then I bang it on the table, shake it, knead it somehow, and it's good that the mold is almost see-through, so you can see where still some Porcelino is missing. So I'm taking a wooden stick, and I think this is the mistake that I made. I'll show you later on when the picture's going to come. I'm trying with my stick just to release the air that is in between the glass shards and the Porcelino, and maybe be stuck on the bottom, so I won't have no really big lumps missing in my vessel. And and I'm filling it up to the top now, and just try to get rid of any air bubbles that I see on the top, and then we have to let that cure for about 30 minutes. It is demolding time, and here I already realized that I have a lump in there, and that made me really But there's nothing I can do about that because I can't even sand it away because of the glass that is inside of the Porcelino. The Porcelino you could just sand away. That would be not a big problem. But the glass inside, it just have to stay like that. I have one large air bubble on the top rim, but there's nothing I can do about that. And here you can really see, it's kind of hard to show on a picture, the lump, but it's not nice. Now I'm taking my sanding block and trying to expose the glass underneath the Porcelino on the outside, but it doesn't really work. So I just took wet sanding paper and that works much, much better. So I'm sanding it until I can see the glass shards up on the front, and yeah, this kind of took a while. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you have questions. Ask them. It's always nice hearing from you. So I want to say thank you for that already. And that's what my outside looks like now. Sadly, it didn't work with the light shining through the glass pieces with this piece, and I had to use it for something else. And I will leave you a link up in the corner to that video where I finally used this piece. This is what the piece finally looked like, and yeah, I had a lot of fun, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. And until then, bye bye.